the least. Money is taxed less than labor. What is investment income? Investment income is your capital gains, also known as appreciation, right? Dividends. So let's use an example. And if this don't make sense, I don't need to be talking no more. You and I buy stock for $100. We're gonna use whole numbers, like I said, because I'm not good at math. We buy stock for $100. The stock goes up to 180. So me and you got capital gains of what? $80. Our stock went up 180. We did good. We got our little $80 capital gains. Over here, money is taxed 10%. So I'm gonna give the government a measly $8. Me and you take home 70 what? 72. Did I lose anybody? Our stock made us $72. Over here, you make the same $80. You're going to give the government 24. You take home 56. Off the top, no questions asked. So you can either give the government 8, or you can keep going the rest of your life giving them 3 times that. But just know this, that's where your million is. Everybody in this room that makes more than $10 an hour, if you work your job for 40 years, you will make $1 million. At $10 an hour. The problem is you gave the government $380,000. Whereas millionaires get the government a little over $100,000. So last time I checked, if you had an extra $280,000 and you was doing this for the past 40 years, that's where your what is? That's your $1 million. So everybody in America can be a millionaire. You just got to learn to make it the right way. That's called income shifting.